Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about something that's really important to all of us, our money. Specifically, we're going to be discussing the safety of online banking in the UK. Now, I know that many of you are already using online banking, and you may be wondering why this is even a question. But the truth is, there are a lot of different online banks out there, and not all of them are created equal. Some are more secure than others, and some have better customer service. So, it's important to do your research before choosing an online bank. So, which is the safest online bank in the UK? Well, that's a tough question to answer definitively. There are a lot of great options out there, and it really depends on your individual needs and preferences. However, I can tell you that some of the most popular and highly rated online banks in the UK include First Direct, Monzo, Starling Bank, Nationwide Building Society, Lloyds Bank. These banks are all known for their security, customer service, and innovative features. For example, First Direct offers a dedicated fraud prevention team, Monzo has a 24/7 chat support service, and Starling Bank offers a number of security features, such as facial recognition and fingerprint authentication. Ultimately, the best way to determine which online bank is right for you is to do your own research and compare the different options. Look at things like security features, customer service, interest rates, and fees. Once you've done your research, you can make an informed decision about which bank is the best fit for you. But what about Relay? Yes, I haven't forgotten about Relay. Relay is a new online bank that's been getting a lot of attention lately. They offer a number of unique features, such as a free overdraft and the ability to set up custom savings pots. However, it's important to note that Relay is still a relatively new bank, and they don't have as long of a track record as some of the other banks on this list. So, is Relay the safest online bank in the UK? It's hard to say for sure. However, they do have a number of security features in place, and they're committed to protecting their customers' data. If you're considering using Relay, I would recommend doing your research and reading reviews from other customers. In conclusion, there are a lot of great online banks in the UK, and it's important to do your research before choosing one. Look at things like security features, customer service, interest rates, and fees. Once you've done your research, you can make an informed decision about which bank is the best fit for you. And remember, if you have any questions about online banking, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.